Genograms are pictorial family trees commonly used in medicine, psychology, social work, genetics, and education. Following hereditary patterns, they describe human experiences like births, deaths, immigration, marriage, divorce, physical or psychiatric disease, conflicts, emotionality, dialogue, and communication. Genograms are thus the fingerprints of a person's emotional history in the context of a family. My interest in cases of social trauma led me to create new symbols to represent tragedy, human rights violations like disappearances and torture, but also resiliency and hope. This installation tells the story of the Weiss family. Many members of this family perished in the Holocaust. 2 generations later, other members of the family lost their lives during the so-called Argentine Dirty War. Each scroll represents an individual member of the Weiss family. Some scrolls are shorter, while others are longer, indicating that while the lives of some family members were cut short, others survived and are still sewing and mending their lives.